fucking truck!
The one that's accelerating, duh! Ha-ha! Boom! Sear cocktail with the twist. Shaken, not stirred. Drink it in, big guy.
Yeah, I see it! Okay, whatever you say, man!
Oh, look who put on his big boy pants this morning, ah!
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, Captain Conservative actually jumped. Figured you'd take the elevator.
Dudes, that was insane! Hey, Franklin, it's me, Jeff. I'm gonna drop you at the garage on Elgin. Okay, Dom?
Gangster by night, parachuting pussy by day. Oh, you should make that your log line. Sales, bro! Who's buying? Not me. Overpriced. Hey, we'll hook up over at the Landak Reservoir, and I might shift your rating from sell to a hold. Done!